Welcome everyone, thank you for coming today. The topic is AI in action. It's the key buzzword that we always hear from our customers. So it's a really good learning journey for everyone, I hope.
As the title suggests, today is all about AI in action. We're showing you demos of real-life examples of where AI is making a real difference in businesses.
There is so many different places that AI touches on a business. So we just want to touch on all those areas within the Microsoft platform, but also what else is out there where we could potentially integrate with Microsoft technologies.
The motivation behind today's event is to show people the market and what's out there, all of the new releases and why they should be so concerned about adopting AI in their business.
Today I want to be challenged by the attendees on how to take them on this digital transformation in the new era of AI.
We'd like to think that most of today's attendees have used AI for their own use. The bits that people may not have had visibility of is how automation uses AI to actually improve business performance.
I would like people today to take away the impact of the business, and I would like them to challenge me on key areas that they are having problems with and how AI can improve those areas.
I think the most exciting thing about this space is that this is at the very beginning. Most organisations have an appetite to move and adopt AI within the organisation. We're with them right at the very start to help them.